Adam Painchaud here with E3 Firearms Association, coming at you for our friends with Guns America. I want to talk to you real briefly on this one today about concealed carry responsibility. So concealed carry, the key word there is concealment. Of course, you have the carry aspect, which is having the gun on you, but concealment is really the important part. I see a lot of people out there carrying, all right? That should be a problem right there, right? So you should just pick up on that. If I can see that you're carrying and it's supposed to be concealed and it's obvious you intend it to be concealed, that's a problem. So we want to make sure that when we're carrying, we're really doing a good job doing our diligence to make sure that that thing is concealed, because that is the whole point for concealed carry. What I recommend you do is you put on your gear, get in front of a mirror, check yourself out, and make sure that you are not printing. So printing is the word we use in concealment to check ourselves from head to toe if we can see the butt of the gun or the muzzle of the gun or a piece of our accessory gear sticking out in any way, shape, or form. Like right now, what I've got on me is I've got a really big gun on me right now. So I've got this Smith & Wesson 8-shot on me right now. So that's a 8-shot 357 Magnum. So that's a pretty fat gun. The cylinder is very fat. I've got A&R inside the waistband holster, but it's concealed. So as you look at me right here from the front or from the side, I'm not printing. You don't see that. And what I'd suggest you do is when you get up in front of your mirror, you check yourself, reach up, maybe even bend down and pick something up and check yourself out and see if maybe your shirt's coming up to expose your gun, or if you're carrying back here on your hip, the butt of the gun's not sticking out, anything like that. So that's your responsibility as a citizen. If you're carrying concealed, concealed means concealed. So do your best to make sure that your gun and all your accessory equipment is concealed. That's going to be the important part out there of concealed carry. So stay safe and carry confidently.